This 5-minute solution will show you how to find Bloxfruit's Discord server link. So if you want to join Bloxfruit's Discord server and you are trying to get the official Bloxfruit's Discord server link, you can follow this video to find or get Bloxfruit's Discord server link. So first of all, open your browser and type this URL discord.com/invite/bloxfruits and hit enter. And here you will get official Bloxfruits Discord server. So basically this is the link for this server. Now click on accept invite. And if you see this message, this server is currently full, please try again later. So if you see this message here, all you have to need just try again after some time, and then you will be able to join to the Bloxfruits Discord server. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.